Are you feeling under the weather? Let me show you how to make the Starbucks famous medicine ball at home, and it's going to cost a fraction of the price. Now, this is what you're going to need. You're going to need some Teavana Jade Citrus Mint Green Tea, some Teavana Peach Tranquility Tea, honey, hot water, and lemonade. Now, this is super easy to make. Boil your water, and you're going to steep both tea bags for 90 seconds. You're going to pour this into a mug, add a generous drizzle of honey, that's nature's medicine, and then you're going to pour in some hot lemonade and give it a quick stir. This soothing drink is packed full of vitamin C, antioxidants, and mint to help with congestion. It's perfect for cold season. Can't find Teavana teas? Celestial Seasonings and Bigelow do have alternatives. So I want you to stay cozy, my friends, save money, and feel better. And if you like Copycat recipes, check out more at copycat.com.